hold on. Dude, that shit is caught, man. What the fuck? Oh.
Got it?
Yeah. Give me the wrench.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. You gotta get it.
Dude, it's...
Keep going. You got it.
Do I got it?
I think so.
Yeah, it looks like it's going on.
Hey, take that flashlight out of my face.
Try to help. Take your new little flashlight out of the
This isn't new at all.
Dude, that shit's not going on.
Nope. I plug it for you.
Dude, it's not even lined up.
Go down. I think there's water in my food. There's water.